Imagine a planet where a day was longer than a whole year. Well, on Venus, this is a reality. Venus orbits the Sun in around 225 days, but at the same time it spins so slowly, resulting in one rotation taking 243 days. This means you'd see the Sun rise and set only once in what we'd call a year. Did you know we can't ever see one side of the Moon? This is caused by something called tidal locking, which is basically where the Moon is stuck in a dance with Earth. The Moon does spin like Earth, but it happens to do so at the same speed that it orbits us, meaning it always shows us the same side. There's not a lot we know about the far side of the Moon. Could there be something hiding there? Where is Voyager 1 now? Launched by NASA in 1977, it's traveling through the cosmos at an incredible 61,500 kilometers per hour. Voyager 1 is the farthest spacecraft humanity has ever launched and has ventured over 22.7 billion kilometers, surpassing the distance from our planet to the Sun 158 times over. It's still sending us data even after all these years and is now exploring interstellar space. Andromeda Galaxy is going to crash into our galaxy, and it's not going to end well. Andromeda is the Milky Way's nearest large galaxy and is about 200,000 light-years wide, which is nearly double our own galaxy. Right now, it's 2.5 million light-years away, but is heading in our direction, and its collision with the Milky Way is predicted to happen in around 4 billion years, likely resulting in them merging into a massive elliptical galaxy. Andromeda is so big that you can even see it in dark skies with your naked eye. How long would it take a snail to circle Earth? Our planet's circumference is just under 41,000 kilometers, and a snail's pace is just 0.048 kilometers per hour, meaning it would have to go on a 95-year journey to complete a full lap of Earth. What if Earth was shaped like a donut? If you stood on a donut-shaped Earth, you'd feel up to 3 times less heavy. Days would pass by in just 3 hours because the shape would make Earth spin faster, letting you see 8 sunrises and sunsets every single day. Even the Moon would act strange because of Earth's new shape, bobbing up and down in the middle as it gets pulled towards the donut hole. How long would it take to fly around Earth? The distance would be almost 41,000 kilometers if you go all the way around. With planes flying at about 900 kilometers per hour, you'd spend nearly 2 days in the air, 1 day and 21 hours to be exact. So, if you plan on circling the globe in a plane, prepare for a long journey. If Earth ever got dragged into a black hole, things would get wild. The black hole's insanely strong gravity would rip apart our planet with ease. The side of Earth closest to the black hole would feel the strongest pull, creating a spaghettification effect. Earth would completely break down pretty much instantly and get sucked into the black hole, disappearing forever. There's a planet out there that makes Jupiter look tiny. Meet Dennis P., the colossal giant of the universe and the largest planet scientists have ever discovered, weighing in at 28.5 times the mass of Jupiter. It's so huge that some astronomers argue it blurs the line between a planet and a dwarf star. Imagine living on a world that was almost star-sized. There would be so much more to discover. Scientists have recently found a secret ocean deep under Earth's crust, bigger than all the oceans combined. This huge water reserve, 400 miles down, sits inside a rock called ringwoodite, acting like a sponge soaking up water. This discovery hints at a whole new water cycle deep within our planet. Just 1% water in this rock means there's 3 times more water underground than in all the Earth's oceans. This could change our understanding of how Earth formed, suggesting our planet's water might come from deep inside and not from space. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, everything not fixed to the ground would be flung eastward at a speed of 1,000 miles per hour. Humans and animals would be thrown across instantly, while oceans would surge into massive tsunamis. Even if some survived that initial mayhem, they'd face the fury of 1,000-mile-per-hour winds, as the atmosphere would continue moving at the same speed across the planet, even if the planet itself stopped.
Which what if haunts you most? Share below. Like, share and subscribe to Speculative Cosmos. Until next time, imagine wildly, stay inspired.